Unlocking Wealth, 5 Common Financial Mistakes to Avoid.
Are you working hard, saving what you can, but still feeling stuck financially? You might be making one or more of these 5 common money mistakes. And trust me, I see them every day, even among high earners. Let's break them down and make sure you're not falling into these traps. Hi, my name is Miguel, Wealth Management Advisor at Nunes Wealth, where we help you build and protect your wealth. If you're serious about building wealth with confidence, these are 5 common mistakes you absolutely want to avoid. Mistake number 1, not having a budget. Let's start with the big one, not having a budget.
Now I know budget sounds restrictive, but here's the truth. A budget doesn't limit your freedom. It creates it.
A good budget tells your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. It helps you build savings, eliminate debt, and still enjoy your lifestyle on purpose.
Consider using a budgeting app or a simple spreadsheet to help creating your budget. The key is tracking where your money is going and making intentional choices.
Mistake number 2, waiting too long to save for retirement. Next, waiting too long to save for retirement.
Most people tell themselves, I'll start saving when I make more. But the truth is, the earlier you start, the less you need to contribute over time.
Why? 2 words. Compound interest. For example, if you save $500 a month starting at age 25 with a 6% interest rate, your balance will be $505,268 by age 55, considering no withdrawals were ever made.
But if you wait until 40, you'll have to save 3 times that amount monthly, or $1,500 at the same 6% interest rate, just to end up with $439,909.
So even if it's just $50 or $100 a month, start. Time is your greatest financial asset. Mistake number 3, carrying high interest debt.
This one's painful, carrying high interest debt, especially credit card debt.
If your interest rate is 20%, that's like trying to climb out of a hole while someone's pouring sand in it. It doesn't matter how well your investments are doing if you're losing more to debt than you're earning in returns.
Make it a priority. Pay more than the minimum, use the avalanche or snowball method, or look into 0% balance transfers strategically.
Debt doesn't make you a bad person, but staying stuck in it without a plan, that's avoidable. Mistake number 4, no emergency fund.
This one might not feel urgent until it is.
No emergency fund means that one unexpected bill, a medical issue, car repair, or job loss could send you straight into debt. Aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses in a high-yield savings account.
Start with $500, then $1,000, then build from there.
It's not about fear, it's about facing the future with confidence. An emergency fund turns a financial crisis into just a financial inconvenience. Mistake number 5, trying to do everything alone.
Finally, trying to figure everything out on your own.
Yes, there's a ton of free info online. But the challenge isn't finding info, it's knowing how to apply it to your life, goals, and income. At Nunes Wealth Management, we are ready to help you avoid blind spots, save time, and build a real strategy.
Just like you'd hire a trainer to get in shape faster and safer, working with a professional can bring structure, clarity, and momentum to your financial life.
As a recap, what are the 5 of the most common money mistakes to avoid? 1, no budget. 2, waiting to save for retirement. 3, carrying high interest debt. 4, no emergency fund. 5, doing it all alone. Ready to explore these strategies further? Schedule a call with us today to discuss how avoiding these and other financial mistakes can work for you. Let's enhance your investment journey together. Thank you for watching. Remember, the right strategy can transform your investment landscape. Click the link to schedule a meeting with us and take the first step towards maximizing your financial potential. Hey, these are our social media accounts. Please hit pause and follow us wherever you are not currently doing so. Thanks.